Hey, I'm Adam. Welcome to the 77th week of my renovation here at Iris Street. Notice anything different this week? I'll give you a hint. It's not the house, it's the camera system. I've got a new wide angle camera system, and I'm hoping it'll be really nice for places that are really tight that you only get a cropped in view of with my previous camera. I got the drywall finished up in the hallway, the bedrooms, and the bathrooms this week, so I was really happy to just basically get all of the upstairs drywall done. Also spent some time out in Brush this weekend for Easter with my family, my nieces, my grandma, and uncles, and it's always a good time out there. So without further ado, let's get our hands dusty and get some drywall put up. And we're off. Tonight I'm starting on one of the final bathrooms. This drywall is really difficult to install because it has a lot of cutouts. It has one outlet and 4 pipe fittings and then a notch for the shower pan. Took me a minute, but I finally got it. And then this final end piece, this is a 4-foot bathroom, so I was able to do a vertical piece, and it was kind of hard to get in place, but once I did, it had a really nice fit. Not much to say on this night, just more drywall in the bathrooms. I'm putting in some screws that I missed on the previous night, and then I'm cutting the final piece that's going to go over the bathtub. It's just a nice little rectangle piece, no cutouts or anything, so get this one cut out and install it over the tub. Saturdays are my long runs with Tyler in the morning, and I also have a symphony to go to tonight with Matt, Steven, Kate, and Aruna, but I had to get one piece of drywall up today so I didn't feel worthless. I'm not going to say much for this footage on Sunday other than it was Easter. I went out to Brush, had a nice lunch with my family, and then off to my grandma's to spend some time on the farm. Willow loves it out there. She loves the cows, and it was just a nice time spending some time outside, playing some games with the family in the evening, and just catching up with everyone.
She rode all the way home from Greeley in that rocking chair sitting up on the back seat. And I wasn't even back there with her, I don't think.
Did it stay on the
It
stick?
stayed. She was so tickled to be sitting in that chair all the way home. We would ride and the kids would be beside me. I would go to a stop sign, I'd put my brakes on and put my arm out. This arm, hold them in.
My girlfriend made some Easter baskets for my nieces, and Willow absolutely loved this water bottle that lights up. My family played this game that my sister got me for Christmas called Throw Burrito, but Willow kept stealing the pieces and we were playing with them. So it was just a nice night to play some games with the family and hang out. Oh, it stopped. It stopped. Should we do it again? Abracadabra. That's pretty. Bottle over. It did stop. Oh my. It's crazy. Wow. It stopped. Can you do it? Can you hit it? The weekend's on a high note. I get all of the drywall in the hallways installed, and I finish some little bits of drywall in the bedrooms that I'd been putting off, and I trim all the drywall. So the first story is completely drywalled. Everything is done. I'm ready to put a couple of floating walls in the basement and wrap up the basement drywall. But yeah, it's really great to get all of this drywall upstairs done. Finally feeling like I can schedule my drywall inspection for the screw pattern, and with any luck, I will be mudding and texturing within 1 to 2 weeks. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next week on week 78 of the Ira Street renovation.